Hello guys, this is Eleftheria from Eleftheria Business PR. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you a simple way on how to update your WordPress plugins. First of all, just go into your main dashboard here and then go to updates and just press the updates, and then you can actually, if you don't have anyone who doing this for you, what you can do is just tick the plugins you want to update, and then you have most updated plugins because it's good for your website. It's simple as that. Now, for example, if you want to update like your opt-in master, for instance, you could go to your main dashboard. You can do it separately. Also, you can just like log in your details here and you can do it. Or it's the same with any other email, marketing company that you do integration with, and you can do, a couple of changes, and you can do even campaigns here. So that's it. So you can actually do it directly from your updates, but you can actually do it individual if you want, unless you have somebody who maintains your website. So that's it for me today, guys, and I wish you well. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, leave your comments below, and have a lovely day.